While me and my dog were out for a morning walk in the park, we come across this squirrel who had just discovered this huge bag of food. And just in that moment, a crow comes around the corner. A chase ensues. The squirrel takes off, bag in tow, hides behind the tree momentarily. And you see the crow look to its right as though it's enlisting a partner to come and help. Right about this time, the squirrel comes burrowing out from behind the tree. And it's almost as if the crow, he were saying, he's going to make us work for it. Here we go. Let's do this. For a moment, the squirrel held on to the bag, but it was so big. Now, instead of running from one crow, he now has two crows on his back. So at some point, this poor little guy just made the decision to abandon the bag. The birds took the little squirrel's bag of food. Bad birds. At one point it was 3 birds, 4 birds, so it was several crows all around. And they took turns coming and eating out of the bag, and they quickly devoured the complete contents of the bag. Before they had a chance to devour it all, I creep over just to see what was in this bag. In looking at the contents, it appeared to be some sort of cereal. Whatever it was, both bird and squirrel alike saw it as a delicious meal. After shaking down the little squirrel for its fantastic food find, the crows seemed pretty happy with themselves. Shortly afterwards, you see the little squirrel come back to the original place where he had found the bag, under this tree, looking for any morsels, I guess, that may have fallen out. And there was nothing. Then he goes towards the bags where the crows had fed, and the bags were completely empty. I think he knew that as soon as he kind of approached the bag, so he just leaped past the bags and went on to find more food. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.